This is an upgrade of my 1988 22 RE pickup truck. That's some minor upgrades. Same inside. Kumho tires. Bilstein shocks, or Bilstein. Same interior inside. Hopefully I'll do some new modifications inside, but everything will stay original. I did add a motion light on the door, so a little bit brighter. I went with the same headlights, nothing fancy, same Halligan headlights. Same paint job as the last time. Have a new power steering pump. Nothing new. And a couple of new belts that I put on. Next project will be a whole paint job. Same color, same stripings. I'm leaving everything original. This is a sweet truck. Everybody likes it. I have a lot of offers. Yeah, I gotta get this fixed too. It's been there since I brought it, so. Oh, I added LEDs in the plates, license plates. You can't see them, but sweet. This is my 1988 22 RE pickup truck.